Yeah, there we go. So, camera. I did a little bit of UML on my notepad, so I'm gonna have to copy this real quick. And we can actually start with and or yeah, we can start with a little bit of UML updates to see what happened. So popularity service is pretty much untouched at the moment. I will update initialized. Then we have the prestige service, and here we have a few things. So we have prestige score. We have the customer per cycle. That's gonna be an integer. Oh yeah, and then we have positive satisfaction and negative satisfaction. So those are for actually checking how well the player has done during a day. And then at the end of the day, it will either increase or decrease the prestige based on this value. Okay, next. Those are the methods. So we have add prestige, where I actually went with a update prestige so that we can say or add a positive or negative argument. Let's avoid which takes an int. Here we have a process satisfaction, which pretty much happens at the end of the day. So that's a void. And update prestige. Yeah, which is probably... we're gonna go with process satisfaction. And then we have the next one, which is kind of either the customer service or the transaction service. Transaction service is a good name, I think. For this one, I don't have an actual... class UML. I have a flowchart, so let's see. I have a kind of process transaction, which doesn't take anything, it seems. So it takes a milkshake, which comes from popularity service. Then we have increase or decrease satisfaction, so it goes this way, or actually. We have a market thing, so we need to update the market as well. Get value. So here we can go with get a game material value and get a milkshake value. Get milkshake value. So this one basically will calculate the total value of the materials of a recipe. Pretty much. So that's the sell price. Then we add game materials dollar, that's okay. And we add satisfaction, so we're good. So this one needs to be updated. And yeah, that's all. Process transaction seems fine. Okay, let's see the tasks. Customer update. So here we want to create the transaction service. Game prices change every day. Control UI. Okay, that's cool. We want to add missing methods. And here I noted add a state to the milkshake machine to disable the milkshake default boost. Yes. Say disable milkshake machines default boot. So I guess we can. It's not very important. I can turn around this at the moment. I think that implementing the transaction service and updating the market could be nice. Let's see. Do I actually have a market? Oh. So it's actually create the service, and here it's like add the game material price fluctuation. Right, that's good. Wait, do I actually created a scene for it? Oh, I did. Why does it have a script? Huh. That's a little bit of a mismatch regarding the organization of files in the solution. So I'll have to think about how to do that better. Market service. Well, technically we don't need this to be a node anymore, because I was expecting to need process, but it's wrong. We don't need process. We can kind of remove that. And maybe we can avoid this as well. So I'm gonna move this market service thing to a better place. Let's delete node. And we're gonna move this. Oh. So obviously we'll have a little bit of break in the service this year. Yeah, the market service. Okay. Am I actually correctly live? I just want to make sure I did everything perfectly. Yeah, it is. Good. Oh, I actually have a thing. What does it say? So here I want to change this to be game material value. material value. And then we can have a public static get recipe value. We'll get milkshake value. So we take a recipe enum. Okay, maybe we can implement this. So recipe, we load the recipe. And forage. In recipe dot maybe game materials or something. Recipe elements? That's a pretty good name. Okay, that's because I have an object. So I guess we'll have the quantity. So get game material value of recipe element dot key. We multiply it by recipe element dot quantity. Technically that's a double. Okay. Simple enough. So this is done. Now prestige sets. So we're gonna create a screen. Let's just set this. Don't think we need to extend node. Okay, what do we have? Set this on the side. Alright. Brushy service. So we have a private int custom cycle. Maybe public. We can read, never know. It's okay to read that. Then private int positive set and negative set. Oh. Update prestige. Oh, this is the public. integer amount. Quantity. And then we have the process satisfaction. Except that I need staticness pretty much everywhere. I didn't write the flowchart for the process satisfaction, so I guess that's a possibility. Let's make a new canvas. Process satisfaction. That's perfect. Actually, I just want to try making one and link it to see how it works. So let's see. I want first to calculate total satisfaction. Can I make it fit? Doesn't look like it. Nope. So we calculate total satisfaction. Then we calculate the positive ratio. That's part of the calculation here. Get a positive ratio, and I don't know if the ratio is inferior to 0.33, we decrease. Okay, we decrease prestige. I'm gonna make it no. Actually, another one. It's an else if kind of. So if the ratio is superior to maybe 66. Let's have 66. In that case, we increase prestige. Yeah, so now I should be able to copy the link or something. Yeah. And add it in there. Nah, terrible. I need to. Yeah. Oh. Well, it's just like eye candy. Not really useful. Anyway. Set it here. And actually make the function. So int total satisfaction. So that's pretty much a double of, I think it's just the positive divided by the double of the total. I think that's it. If the ratio is inferior or equal to 0.33, we have update prestige -1. So maybe this can become private. Energy ratio superior or equal to 0. We increase it by 1. Okay. And we do this every day, so void static void on day completed. Hi Fluffy, how you doing? Doing okay, and me okay as well. That's a good way to describe it. Am I winning yet? Honestly, I have no idea what the other people are doing. So it's gonna be a surprise. And at the same time, it's not like the Bloon game jam where we had like a clear idea of what the good product would look like. I'm gonna make an initialize constructor sort of. So I guess I want time service. They completely connect. And deconstruct this. So what about you? What are you doing these days? Chilling? Can I change the color of an arrow? Ooh. So the transaction service. Doom scrolling. Maybe I should actually initialize this first. I could initialize services in this services node. Like, I think the rest is in game. Initialize services, right? Popularity for this. I don't need that. Because, yeah, we load services, so it's pretty much implied that it's within. Also, I want to update the popularity service. Do I have it somewhere? No. Initialize here. So let's say that I want just one of the three getting to 66%, while the other two are going to be 0, 3, 3%. So I'm gonna go with a forage. So I guess it is a recipe enum key, and whatever is the second thing, the double. I need to shake, it's tickling me like crazy. Double. Actually, I don't need the value. Is that a float? No? Why is 033 not okay? Oh, it's an integer? Okay. Now, we make a roll. So, integer roll, dice roll. Zero, 1, 2. Actually 0, 1, 2, and we need 3. So we pretty much have a list of keys. We want game, instance, player data, milkshake popularity, milkshake. I mean, same thing. Okay. Let's create a key. So it's probably, what is that? It's a list of keys. A collection containing the keys. Wait, that's it. Bar keys. What is this bar? It's kind of weird. Is it an array of keys? It's not like this anyway. Yeah. So I don't know. Okay. The question is, can I actually get like the random key from a game? Of keys, dice roll. Is that possible? No. Okay, that's unsettling. I can't. Can I? Let's see what Redot says about it. Like getting a random item from a dictionary. How do you pick up a random item in a C# dictionary? Oh, there's a method. Like element at dice roll. The left hand side. Is it because I must say wait. Immutable array extensions dot element. What? It seems like annoying as hell. Hey, you know what? I can go back with this. This can go to where was we need this value. So what we're gonna do is translate this in an enum, basically. So recipe.enum, I picked recipe is gonna be equal to the past of recipe.enum of dice roll. Which means that I can say game, instance, player data, click popularity of picked recipe, and assign these to recipe. Phew! That was complicated. Initialize starting popularity value. There we go. Market service, create a service. Structuration. That's better. Create the transaction service, and I think that's the last thing I need to add. Yes. We can create this transaction service by going going in this create it from here. Add a new folder. Transaction service. And we add a C# item. A new class. Transactions service. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's not be. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. So, public partial as transaction service. Okay. So we just have a process transaction. Public static void process transaction. Going all in on them milkshakes? At the moment, yes. I mean, I need this to be done so that I can move on to new things to craft. Right? Like, I'm not gonna make burgers if I didn't even complete the milkshakes. The transaction service, what does it do? First it picks a milkshake. Okay, so process transaction. Can I say process customer transaction? What do you mean no? We still have like 7 days to go. It's actually getting short. I don't know how much I'll be able to do in this time frame. Because I still have no sound. I could like do this thing where I make all the sounds with my mouth. Sushi westernization was a late 80s thing, right? If that's clear. Okay. I think it's an enum. Chosen milkshake. Prosperity service. Get desired milkshake. Okay. Also, that although that was an incredibly posh thing to eat outside of Japan at the time, well, when you look at the prices right now in France, it's very posh to eat sushis, if you ask me. Follow the same path as caviar almost. Oh, wow, dude. But honestly, like, paying like more than 30 euros just to get sushis delivered, and like, I'm talking about a really small amount of sushis, is disgusting. Dirty peasants' food became luxury just because rich people took notice. I mean, it looked exotic. That's why it becomes so popular. I need to update inventory service. Ooh. Actually, I can remove it. I remove milkshake, and if we can't, let's do this. Transaction is successful. Even if, wait, That's the thing though, sushi in Japan where and stay the people's meal. Yeah. Even if there are luxury restaurants like everywhere else now, you can't get quality ones for stupid shit. I wish there was the same in Japan. I don't know if like part of the problem is the fish accommodation, like getting the fish. Because that technically has a part to play, right? Okay, so we have transaction not so successful. We go with prestige service. That update. Come on. Oh. I need an update satisfaction method. So positive satisfaction is by 1. Actually, let's go with quantity. There we go. Woohoo. You know, an address in Lille, I'm never gonna, yeah, too close to Paris, never going. Where you can have that, we can eat menu for like 20 euros. Not the 30 euros, yeah, very described. Or it's fine, but I feel like you never truly know before taking a bite. Yeah, definitely. So like 30 euros is like just a pack of 8 things. Like 8 rolls. Is it? Maybe 12? Maybe 12. Well, that's the prices. Like, what do you want to do with that? They're all the same price. Because the thing is, like, if you go to the restaurant directly, it's okay, definitely. So if the transaction is not successful, we have -1, and we return, I guess, and we don't need else. Prestige. +1. Then we need to get the market value. So here we have double market value. Eventually I would prefer the player to choose the value. That's fine. So market value is whatever market serve stuff. Get milkshake value of recipe. I've chosen milkshake. So inventory service. Material. $. Market value. And then we, okay, add the satisfaction, that's already done. So that's pretty much it. Process customer transaction. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Well, actually, I just wanted to kind of implement those things. Let's see. So, the prestige thing is definitely not fully done. Because we have the customer cycle here. You never use the service and never will. You'd rather tank agoraphobia and walk. Yeah. Well, it depends on the distance as well. Usually it's cheaper to just order like directly from the restaurant when they do that. So I think there's like a minimum you need to pay. So the transaction service, maybe I need to initialize this to trigger like a private static void on, you know, on cycle completed. And here we kind of want a for each, like that's pretty much. Can you make like a for each? Actually, I want to check if there's a syntax to make something run very specific amount of time. Is there a specific syntax to have an instruction run X amount of time? Because I know that GDScript has a range thing. I think like, yeah, the do while. Like enumerable range with link for functional style. So I do like enumerable, but I need link. This. Enumerable.branch. Yes, that's how we would do it in .05 maybe. Actually, it's customer, like it's prestige service. Dot customer. So. Yup. And what is the rest of this? Oh, that's actually terrible. Yeah, it sucks. So what about a do line? What is the do line? I just want to find one, which is... Oh, okay, what condition? Hmm. Let's have a simple for then. So for int I, yeah. Actually, it's customer. It's prestige service. But yeah, that's one of the things when you're kind of living in a small town, or a few things can be very expensive and you don't have like the benefits of being in a very remote town. I mean, small town like the one, which is not really a small, like small big town. Process customer transaction. There we go. So I'm thinking regarding time. I might want to change how it's evolving. Like, what was the duration of a day? It was 360. Okay, and here that's 180. Okay, I guess 3 minutes. Yes, it's 3 minutes. I think that's manageable. Maybe I could have like a few prints to help. Here we can have print prestige updated. I will have to change the music. What about the transaction thing? Now we have the prestige service customer cycle. We have 6 customers today. Customer wants recipe get dot name. Something like adding the market value. $8. Yeah, I'm getting here. New music, let's see. Um, so there you go. Oh, that's gloomy. I think it gets better. Probably gets better. Anyway. I think I want to initialize the transaction service as well. Like, where's it? I closed it? Transaction service. Yeah, let's see. There's so much which changed in the game. Could literally break. Or the poor save file. Gonna be lost. Fail to build, get value. Yes. Get game material value. I'm gonna remove the save file. Music feels like you're attending your own funeral? Pretty much. Alright. Go, go, go! Let's craft one of everything. Oh, we can't in the first cycle? Customer wants choco milkshakes, adding $3. Oh, and the choco milkshake is gone. So we can see the time passing. Let's see, we have one of each. Oh no. Get design method fucked up? What did? Dice roll 142. Oh, that's not enough to know. Oh, I think I did something. I think I know what happened. Something very important in the popularity service. No, actually. I need more info. Kitty Meow's next is... Oh, Kitty Meow's? Yeah, okay. Change that. Oh, wait, it's moved. Where is it? Oh, I'm on the wrong album? There's a Kitty Meow. Oh yeah, I adjusted the white on the walls, did you? That's a lot better. Actually, I toned the light a little bit down. Got an idea that's real simple to implement to add to the 80s flavor, adjust your prices to 80s inflation label. I don't know, but yeah, eventually. Well, technically look at this. Technically it's not really a go back in time, it's a diner, 80s inspired diner. Total weight 0? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Why is it wrong? We get a total weight. Oh, I think I know why. Because we technically need an extra... No, we don't. I think I can cheat the popularity to see how it looks like. Oh, I didn't save. Boohoo. Gravity wave shake, let's go. I'm not sure why it doesn't work, because it did work here. So we calculate the total weight, get popularity total weight. Okay. Then oh, I'm stupid. It's not the total weight I have to reduce, it's the dice roll. There we go. Just checked, in the early 80s, Sunday was .55. Ooh. I could add a second machine, just to go a little bit faster for testing. Do you think I can cheat a second machine? Like, mid-game? Okay, we'll have to make a strawberry now. It's actually turning out pretty well. Oh, other possibility of buying second machine? Yes, definitely. Like, there's gonna be more. That's for sure. Yeah. So I don't know what's popular. Okay, I'm gonna save. Okay, strawberry is gone again. So it is possible that strawberry is the like milkshake right now. Oh, I don't have enough. Okay, I'm out of materials. Yeah, let's see if we can cheat a machine. That would be fun. There we go. Oh, it's broken. Now let's see if we add one, if it works. I mean, if we reset the game, because maybe it's just... Yeah, they work fine. This is kind of satisfying. Let's be honest. We'd probably have all the machines there, but turn visibility on only upon unlock. Oh, you mean, oh yeah, maybe, I don't know. One customer today, they wanted strawberry milkshake. Come on, buy something else, guys. I want to see if the day is gonna evolve, actually. I think at the moment they only boat strawberry milkshake. We're gonna check the satisfaction. I mean the popularity. So 41, 40, 74. Uh-huh. Oh, vanilla! Yay! Prestige updated -1. Boo! I don't know if it's me or if it's the machine looks too idle for the 80s. Did you do the model yourself? Yeah. I mean, it's the best I could. I wanted something simple to model. I mean, I did everything, so... Oh. Oh. That's unfortunate. I'm not stuck. You're stuck. I need an unstuck button. Oh no! Woohoo! But I need an unstuck button. That's bad. Nah, we don't need. Dusk. You're 82 when the head clips in the door frame at work. Yeah, that's a little bit inconvenient, isn't it? Maybe I will change the time so this to be like 30. I will leave it to 30. Hashtag tall guy's problem. I can tell you, I'm not that tall. I'm around 1.70 m, roughly. 71, 72, something. So, okay, I didn't plan to do much tonight. And I'm hungry. So, yeah, it's actually gonna be a short stream in comparison to what I did yesterday. There's still a lot to add. Like, it's... We need to be able to order things. Because right now we can't order. Like, something which could be interesting is like having a little new day message. Like, new day message. We wrap with that. Whether you're missing the 6 feet marked by 1 millimeter or 10 centimeters both. Oh, get ready for the next day. Pew pew. Oh, why it doesn't go back? Oh, that's a problem. Look at this. I think it's going one day after another day without resetting. That seems bizarre. Yeah, day progress doesn't reset. So we need to add this, fix this now. No. Got no god to pray to. Damn, do you want to thank the old man for not being American? The nonsense really gets everybody buried. What? I'm not sure I get it. At least I fixed the bug. So that's cool. What would be nice is some wall decorations. Like picture frames. And things. Anyway. Well, I think that's it. As soon as Kraken's done dancing. Customer update, let's go, boom boom. Fine. Let's close this. Looks fine. Right. Then you should. I think change the wall color on client side. Oh, maybe. It's not like I put a lot of thought into it. There's a lot of things to change. Like there are a few things. I want to upgrade the furniture, add more. That's got enough brand sales to think. This doesn't look like. Really? Alright. So I'm gonna disappear. And for the end, actually, I think we're close to the end of the music. Make a good cut. Alright, so as soon as the music's done, I'm gone. Well, you guys have fun doom scrolling, making new games. And yeah, exactly. Bye bye. I'm